Welcome back to another English online session. Today I am going to narrate the second chapter in the unit Glimpses of India. The name of the chapter is Coorg. This chapter gives us a beautiful insight of one of the smallest districts in Karnataka, that is Coorg. Coorg has an amazing weather throughout the year. Especially in monsoon season, they get enough rain. You can find varieties of animals here. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. This area is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands and Tibetan settlements. Okay, now let me give you a brief note about the writer. This essay was written by Lokesh Aprol. He was a renowned doctor by profession. He is also a social worker and an established writer. This particular essay on Coorg highlights his sharp observation and ability for a graphical description about a wonderful land that is Coorg. Now let me narrate the summary of this essay. Shall we start? Okay, now let me narrate the summary. Coorg, a place so beautiful that it seems like a piece of heaven, has drifted away from God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It is somewhere between Mysore and Mangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. The men are brave warriors and the women of Coorg are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. Coorg is also known as Kodag. It is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Coorg is covered with evergreen rainforest, and the place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Coorg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance or the smell of coffee due to the abandoned coffee plantations. The people of Coorg are believed to be of Greek or Arabic background and are generally ferocious. This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with a embroidered waist belt known as kupiya. Kupiya is similar to the kufiya worn by Arabs and Kurds. It is also rumored that some people of Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settled here while returning from the south. The people of Coorg marry each other and their cultures as well as rituals are very different from the ones followed by Hindus. The people are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with the stories of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious, and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Coorg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, belonged to Coorg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license. This shows that Coorgis are reliable too. The evergreen forest and hills of Coorg provide water to River Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs play in these waters by throwing half eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. The tourists who visit Coorg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities available like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain climbing. The hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. While taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild elephants can also be found in Coorg. To have an overall look at the beautiful city of Coorg, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri hills. Coorg is surrounded by astounding places of beauty like the island of Nisargadama and Bailakuppe, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Coorg, where their lifestyle is a fascinating view for the travelers. A mix of diverse cultures can be seen here, which represents the heart and soul of India. So this is like a travelogue, a description about that beauty of particular place, Coorg. It was very nicely presented by Lokesh, and I think you have liked it. Okay, from the description, I hope you have understood how beautiful is Coorg. And almost all of you, I think you are thinking that once you should visit this place. Surely you should visit at least once. You should enjoy the beauty of this wonderful piece of land. Okay, now all of you just read the text thoroughly. Don't forget to have a dictionary with you. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.